Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. So on this video we are going to look how we can connect your account to Middle East on the UAE. So for that, just open the tool4seller app. So after opening the app, here we need to go to the me option or our profile option. On the bottom right corner we can see the me option right there. Just tap on the bottom right corner. So when we tap on it, here we can see the manage marketplaces option. So here we need to just tap on the manage marketplaces option. Just tap on the manage marketplaces option. So here we can see the add more options on the top right corner. So we need to just tap on the add more option. So here just choose the Middle East UAE or United Arab Emirates right here. Just choose the Middle East UAE right here and then tap on the next option. So here just we need to just give the details of we need to sign in by using your email or mobile phone number. After that we need to just tap on the continue option. So this is how we're gonna connect your account to Middle East the UAE on tool4seller app. So I hope this video was useful for you. So just do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.